Hi guys, it's Mama Loves to Travel. Thanks for coming back. In just a few moments, you're going to be watching a room tour of the Preferred Club Suite Tropical View. After the room tour, make sure you stick around because I have some things that I want to clarify or I might want to add to the room tour video. Enjoy! When you first walk in, this is the first thing that you will see. That is your living area with a sofa bed. So the sofa turns into a pull-out sofa bed. This is tropical view, so you can see part of your view right now there. And on this side, you have lots of storage space, your TV, fan, and that's TV number 1. Okay, on this side is your bar. This is the Preferred Club, so you have an espresso machine here. Lots of water everywhere you go throughout the resort. Anytime you want water, they have water for you. And because this is Preferred Club, you also get, of course, the capsules for the espresso machine. You have other coffee things. You have your little mini bottles of liquor. Sorry, I don't drink, as you guys know, so I don't know what they're called. You also get your chips, your Snickers, and your M&Ms. And those are restocked daily. Underneath, if that's not enough, you have your mini fridge that is also restocked daily. Another difference, if you are Preferred, not only do you get the sunny water, you also get Evian. This is the hallway with a separate bathroom. But before we go there, here is closet number 1. See, if you travel with family, you need a lot of storage space, and this is perfect for that. This is the bathroom, toilet area, and when you first walk into the bathroom, this is what I love, like everything is in harmony. It feels like you're really coming home. You have your shower, shampoo, body wash, soap, and you also have conditioner back there. Over here, remember this is Preferred, so you have all of those amenities, including the mosquito repellent, body lotion, and your sunscreen lotion. Now it's only SPF 15, but I use that because it smells so good. I love that one. There's soap, and look, I love their little touches, you know, little fresh flowers from the garden. Like I said, lots of water, more towels, incense, and did I say that right? Yes, you know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about. Down here we have our towels, our hair dryer, of course, that weighing scale, because you want to keep an eye on how much you're eating, right, at an all-inclusive. And again, with their big, beautiful mirrors, so you can make sure you look gorgeous before you leave. And this is what I love. I don't know if you noticed that. Let me try that again. That is a whole separate other room than the kids area. Because, you know, being on vacation, it's kind of hard to do adults aerobics when kids are around, right? I think you know what I mean. So this one has a king-size bed, bathrobes, slippers. See that beach bag? That's only for Preferred members. When you walk around with that beach bag, then the workers, the staff, they know that you're Preferred and you can access all the Preferred areas. Over here is closet number 2, extra blankets, laundry bag. Orange towel means Preferred versus brown towel, which is non-Preferred. You have your safe there, more storage space, umbrella, steamer. I know I get asked a lot, do they have iron? They do not, just a steamer. If you want your shoes polished, leave it there. Give them a call and they will take care of that for you. So I know I'm probably forgetting information or two, so please make sure you look down below. Whatever I've forgotten, I'll make sure to write it down. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Just give me, not a call, I was gonna say give me a call, but put your message down below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. So that was the room tour for the Preferred Club Suite Tropical View. Now I get asked a lot, is Preferred Club even worth it? Short answer, yes, absolutely yes. Long answer, well, this video is gonna get way too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and write down all the Preferred Club amenities and privileges down below. Make sure you take a look at that so you can decide for yourself if it's worth it for you. Also, I'm going to be including the different links to the different room tours I've done for this particular resort, and that way you can look which room would best fit your needs and your family's needs. And as always, happy planning!